Are you ready for some exciting news in the world of cryptocurrency? Despite a slight dip in prices over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin and other digital assets are currently in a positive groove, suggesting a potential sustainable rally in the future. This is great news for those who have been holding on to their Bitcoin, as the largest digital asset is still trading at levels above where it stood just a year ago before the crypto sell-off accelerated into a brutal bear market. Are you ready for some exciting news, fellow crypto enthusiasts? Despite a slight dip in price over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are currently in a positive groove. In fact, Bitcoin is still trading at levels above where it stood just a year ago, before the brutal bear market of the crypto sell-off accelerated. Exciting news for all the crypto enthusiasts out there. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are currently in a positive groove, despite a slight dip in price over the past 24 hours. While Bitcoin fell 2% to $29,100, dropping below the psychologically important $30,000 mark, it's important to note that it was still trading at levels above where it stood just a year ago, before the crypto sell-off accelerated into a brutal bear market. Antony Trenchev, co-founder and managing partner at crypto lender Nexo, suggests that the sudden sell-off of Bitcoin expunges some of the excess froth in the market, which could potentially make way for a more sustainable rally in the future. However, wider worries over inflation and the prospect of more interest rate hikes are currently weighing on both the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500, causing a short-term dip in the crypto market. Despite the short-term dip, there remain multiple bullish signs for Bitcoin, which has already rallied some 80% so far this year in a surge from the depths of its crypto winter. According to analysts at crypto market intelligence firm Glassnode, several on-chain indicators are suggesting that bear market conditions may now be behind us. In fact, Bitcoin recently closed out its best quarterly return since its all-time high in late 2021, signaling a favorable regime shift in the crypto market. Glassnode analysts further noted that Bitcoin is currently in neutral territory, holding above the zone between $16,000 and $25,000 in which significant Bitcoin volume has changed hands. This is great news for those who have been holding on to their Bitcoin, as much of the supply remains tightly held by those buyers while profits are being taken and network utilization is improving. So, while there may be some short-term fluctuations in the crypto market due to wider macroeconomic forces, the overall outlook for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies remains positive. And if you're a crypto enthusiast, it's important to stay up to date on the latest market trends and indicators to make informed decisions about your investments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information on Social Security and other related topics.